China has been facing a growing problem for years now. Every day, millions of people in Beijing, China breathe air 20 times worse than considered safe by the World Health Organization. The industrial businesses of China are largely responsible for this horrendous violation of environmental health.
带来都不方便，孩子、大人都是尽量在家待着就待着吧，别出来了，就只能这么采取这措施，那怎么办？
Air quality can be really bad. They have warnings, I'm guessing 3 to 4 per year, where people are advised not to go outside, not to exercise, because the air quality is so bad.
A large facet of the problem rests with vehicle emissions in Beijing. The city currently holds nearly 12 million people, with around 5 million active vehicles on the road every day. Even an effort to clear skies for a World War II celebration by altering the days on which certain license plate holders could drive, the skies were clear for less than 24 hours. Yet due to many reasons, the largest perpetrator in this inexorable dilemma is the industrial enterprise. For starters, China relies heavily on burning coal. Each year, China burns an average of 4 billion tons of coal, while the US burns about 1 billion. And that's not the worst part. In addition to their huge coal consumption, the factories are far less efficient than those in the United States. The cloud of smog covering Beijing thickens in the winter as people burn coal stoves and idle cars for warmth. During the winter, pollutants are trapped near the ground by a higher layer of warm air, causing the particulates to form a harmful cloud near the ground. In December of 2015, this caused concentrations 2,000% greater than considered safe by the World Health Organization, initiating the immediate closure of schools and encouragement by the government for the populace to stay indoors. By 2017, Beijing plans to have cut their PM10 density by 10%. They have currently invested 50 billion yuan and $7.66 billion into tackling air pollution. The plan to carry out more than 100 environmental protection projects aimed at reducing air pollution. Though Beijing has already achieved the targeted pollution reduction by the 5-year plan for 2011 to 2015, the government still attaches great importance to the prevention and control of pollution. According to the 2014 emission reduction target, the major pollutants in Beijing will be reduced compared to the levels in 2013. Sulfur dioxide and nitric oxide by 5%, and the chemical oxygen demand, COD, and ammonia nitrogen by 2%.
The nacelle are 3 propeller-like blades that connect to a rotor. Also on the nacelle is an anemometer to measure wind speed and direction. The wind direction rotates the nacelle to face into the wind. The energy in the wind, called kinetic energy, turns the turbine blades around the rotor.
Our little speck floating through space, a marvel so full of potential and beauty, surrounded by the vastness of it all. We have a responsibility to it. As its curators, we must care for it in the hope that future generations can appreciate it, because it is all we have.